The idea of MIP was to create the best RC products and tools that the world could ever imagine, and that's exactly what we've done. Moore's Ideal Products has partnered with many companies over the years. And in this particular partnership, we've brought together two companies, FANUC and Excalibur. Those two companies have come together to build a 12-axis monster. We utilize the equipment to manufacture a line of precision tools. Definitely the best tools you'd ever want to purchase for model race cars or for personal use. When we initially sought out to find the perfect machine, we contracted Excalibur to build that machine. We worked with them for a few months and came up with the decision that we definitely had to have FANUC controls. We went with the 30 IB, which has more horsepower than you could ever imagine. It has the memory, the programming, and the complete interface that we need in order to be able to set up and operate and run this machine 24/7 indefinitely. This machine was integrated with a LR-mate robot and allows it to load continuously into the grinding compartment to give us a precision, consistent part 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. With that functionality, we're able to run lights-out manufacturing, and that has made a tremendous difference in our company, over a 300% increase in productivity. And as the years go on, we'll probably bring many more of these in to continue to grow and prosper in the new technology age of electronics and robotics.